Repairman. I'm going to damage the TV by pouring orange soda on it. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm at the TV. Now to damage it by pouring orange soda on it so that it won't turn on. What happened? I better check to see. Nothing seems to happen. Oh well, I guess I'll watch the tube. Hey, it's not working. I better ask Jake if he knows about it. Jake, I've noticed that the TV is not working. I didn't know it isn't working either. Hey, based on your innocent expression, you seem to be pretending you didn't damage the TV. Did you do something to it? Okay, yes, I did. I poured orange soda on it. Oh. Jake, how dare you pour orange soda on the TV and damage it? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room right now. Why? What was that?
That would be me! I'm Repairman, man!
You're Repairman.
I'm the Repairman! I can repair anything and everything!
Well, can you repair the hole in the ceiling you made?
No! Now something tells me that you have a TV that needs repairing.
Can you repair it?
Yes, I can. That's why I'm Repairman, man.
What is up with the echo?
Go away! I have a TV to repair, and repair it I will!
Dude, you totally destroyed the TV.
No problem at all!
Yes, it's a problem. You completely wrecked the TV to pieces. Now I can't watch my favorite shows. You are not a good repairman. Man. Whatever. You know what, Drew? Maybe you should read a book. I'm going to do that right now. Be careful with one of the shelves, Jake. They've been a bit loose.
You say you have a loose shelf of books over there? I can repair that!
No, please. Don't. It doesn't. Hey. You trashed my house.
No need to thank me!
I'm not. Get out of my house, you psycho. I agree with Drew. You're giving me a headache.
You say you have a headache? I can repair that!
No, please. Don't.
Tune in next time for the continuing adventures of
Repairman, man!